How to use a gift card on Uber. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use a gift card on Uber, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you want to use a gift card on Uber, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Uber application here and just make sure that you're signed into the account. Tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the screen here and you'll find an option here that says payment. So just go to the payment option. When you go to the payment option, over there you'll find the option called add payment method. So you can just tap on the add payment method option and here you can see it says credit or debit card. So depending upon you want to actually add a gift card, so we will select gift card here, enter the gift card code, tap on the save option. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will get successfully used to redeem for your next ride, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then use your gift card on Uber. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.